सरकारी हॉस्पिटल हे खासगी गाडयो पार्क करपाची सुवात न्हय। दिसान दीस गोमेकोत तर पार्किंगाचो प्रश्न सतायता। खासगी भायल्यो गाडयो पार्क केल्ल्यान हॉस्पिटलांनी ॲम्ब्युलन्सी घळोवपाक त्रास जाता। म्हण सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांनी पे पार्किंग करपाचेर विचार चालू आसा, अशी माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार।
मोटरसायकल भितर व्हरतात न्ही, ते सगळे आमी ज्या तरेन आतां पाटो केला न्ही, इट इज 10 रुपीज फॉर 4 hours or समथींग। लोक भायले लोक येवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान गाडयो पार्क करून वयतात आनी म्हणून खंय ना खंय ते कंट्रोल हाडपाक ते खंय ना खंय चार्जिंग करचेच पडटलें न्ही।
बट देन
इट इज नॉट नो इट इज सी विल प्राइज इट वेरी। If a patient is there, patient is a different thing. But you go and see the number of people who are parking cars and going to Bombay, Delhi and all and leaving the cars in the premises of Goa Medical College. That cannot be entertained. मडगांव वयता सकाळी साखळीच्या हॉस्पिटलान लोक कामाक वयता आनी फूल भरल्या सगळे मोटरसायकल आनी गाडयो। अशें दीस इज अ हॉस्पिटल. This is not meant for somebody to do their keep their private cars and go to Bombay and come back and then take the car from Bambolim and then go. That is not on. That's not happening.
So by when you all want to put this system in place?
They have to. We are following the EDC tender. EDC has come out with the tender, so same will be applicable in all the district hospitals and everywhere. Okay. District hospital, MAPSA, one is Ponda and Goa Medical College. Sakri muddam karta हांव कित्याक go and see when you are passing Sakri, full of motorcycles of outsiders. So that becomes a problem. Then you can't take out an ambulance out of the hospital. How do you?